And now, a special report for Saturday, December 16th, 2006, with meteorologist Andrea Crow.
Hi, this is Andrea Crow for the Crow Weather Network, talking to you with our special glove microphone. As you can see, we are experiencing a major weather blizzard. Snow and winds have closed a number of roads, but we've been having a great time. We've been jumping off the doghouse, making snow forts, and found a pumpkin in the snow, just to name a few. This has been Andrea Crow reporting to you live with the Winter Glove Microphone Update. And as you can see, it's pretty cold out here. And if you are out here too long, you could easily get frostbite, so be careful.
This has been a special weather report for Saturday, December 16th, 2006, with meteorologist Andrea Crow. Stay safe, stay warm.
And as you can see, it's pretty cold out here, but I'm reporting live from my house, so I can go in anytime I want, except not yet. As you can see, I'm freezing my rear end off out here because it's so cold. Very cold. Daddy, it's cold.